Welcome to our video on the future of transportation. What will we be driving in 20 years? Are you ready to take a wild ride through the future of transportation? Buckle up, because we're about to blast off into the world of flying cars, self-driving vehicles, and more. First up, let's talk about flying cars. Yes, you read that right. Flying cars could be a reality in the next 20 years. These futuristic vehicles would be able to take off and land vertically, allowing you to fly to your destination rather than drive. Imagine being able to avoid traffic and fly over traffic jams. It would be like having your own personal helicopter. Next up, let's talk about self-driving vehicles. These autonomous vehicles are already becoming a reality, and it's predicted that they will become even more widespread in the future. From self-driving cars and trucks to drones and public transportation, self-driving technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we move around. Just think, you could sit back, relax, and let your car do all the work while you catch up on some much-needed rest. But that's not all. In the future, we might even see the rise of personal pods and hyperloop transport systems. Personal pods are small, self-driving vehicles that can be summoned on demand, allowing you to travel short distances quickly and efficiently. Hyperloop transport systems, on the other hand, are high-speed tubes that transport pods at speeds of over 600 miles per hour. Imagine being able to travel from one city to another in just a few minutes. It would be like something out of a science fiction movie. Of course, all of these futuristic transportation options come with their own set of challenges and limitations. Flying cars and personal pods might be a bit too noisy and disruptive for residential areas, and hyperloop transport systems might be too expensive to build and maintain. But with advancements in technology and infrastructure, it's possible that these and other innovative transportation options could become a reality in the next 20 years. So there you have it. The future of transportation is looking bright, and we can't wait to see what the next 20 years have in store. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of flying cars, self-driving vehicles, and more.